So what we got today, we have this 2012 Mercedes Benz CLS550. It needs rear airbags because it's pretty much they're gone. And then we're gonna do a oil change, and we're gonna use the BG performance kit on it, which includes MOA, EPR, and the 44K. So let's just dive on it. Okay, so after putting the EPR, the engine oil, we're gonna sit in the car and keep it at like 1300 RPM for like 20 minutes or so for the chemicals to work. So, yeah. I guess we're gonna watch YouTube videos while this one happens. What in the devil is leaking now? This is gonna be hot. It is hot. There is a chance I might make a mess. Wasn't that bad. So, got all drained, but while removing the covers, we noticed some coolant leak coming out, and looks like it's this breather hose right here. It's leaking pretty good if you want to see it right here. Now we need to find out where that pink fluid came from. It was and the only thing pink on the car is the transmission fluid. If this one takes the pink one, but I don't know. I'm not seeing anything in here, so I'm just gonna wipe that to see. I mean, if it's the nipple here or here. This one just broke, and pretty much I had coolant all over my face. Luckily, the dealership here has one, so we're gonna get one after lunch and install a new one, and problem will be solved. This is 540 weight oil. So this is the oil supplement. Goes on the fresh oil after the EPR. I'm not going to go in details and tell you guys what it does or why or when, but you can Google it, you know. It's really good stuff. So this is the airbag. Apparently this one still has a little bit of air left, so usually what I do with BMWs, I just get a drill and just drill it. I bet you with all the dirt over the years, it got really tight in here. There it is. Yeah, it was just binding right here. This is going to require some finagling. Sitting pretty straight. So what I did here, after installing the bag, I did apply some air so it will sit on the bag like perfectly fine and straight. So it worked. Me personally, it's the first time I'm doing those, but the guys have done it before. They're not bad at all. They're pretty easy. So. The other one came out easier. I know why. Because, I don't know, this shock went all the way up somehow, the actual shock, you know? Maybe here. They're old. Yeah, it's about to go in. Looks pretty straight to me. There it goes. That's it. Waiting for the hose, for the coolant hose to come from the dealership, and because we cannot start the car because it's going to spray coolant everywhere, and then hopefully we don't have to recalibrate the right height, but you never know. We'll see. So the hose came in from the dealer. Took like 5 seconds to install. Added antifreeze, rinse it with water. Now we'll see if it's going to raise up. It's making the right noises. So this is it. It was pretty simple. We fixed the coolant leak that we didn't even know we had one, but the airbags were easy. I'm going to go drive it to make sure everything is settled and there's no weird noises, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.